The glove can do the different color. Actually, you can see this is the white, the pure red, and that is the a little bit yellow, maybe a little bit yellow, but we can do the right color. Yes, we can do the different printing. Maybe you can put your logo, the liquid inside, and then we use this to filling our food mask. Yes, the liquid will come in this tube. Yes, filling in here, and then shipping it. Yes, I think the more customer will more interesting maybe in our production procedure for the machines, how to running the machine. Yes, then filling is done. You see, yes, the liquid is inside already. That's amazing. I think many customers will more interested in the machine running. Yes, more interesting for the machine to running. Yes, they will use the paper board to even the liquid in every area of the food mask. So you can see really soft one, really soft one. Yes, the material you can see. Yes, very soft one. Yes, then after the even, then the liquid will go to the each area that you can see. Very soft one. Yeah, they're not like the cheap quality ones. The chicken one is very hot. I have been used that. I have tested it. Because our material is the using feeling of that is very soft, very comfortable, and very moisture. Yes, so you must try it. You must try it. Yes. Also, if you do interested in this food and hand mask, you can ask, send an inquiry here. Send inquiry to us, and then we can send you sample for quality text. Yes, we can send you for quality text. You will know what is the difference of our quality with other competitor. Okay, so some of customers like to make logos on our glove, and to make sure they are unique and professional for this. Yes, this is one of our customers' logos. Very cute, right? Very cute. And Abby, do you know the MOQ? The MOQ for our hand and foot mask?
Yes.
Yes.
10,000 pieces.
10,000?
Yes, 1,000.
No. This one needs 100,000 pieces. Yeah, 10,000 just maybe the pure one. No logo one. No logo one. 10,000 is okay. But normally for the pouch design, we need 30,000 as the MOQ. Normally for the pouch package, because this is the pouch supplier ask for this MOQ. But to support our customer, the first order, right? We know now maybe the economics is not good. Maybe for all over the world. So we accept a smaller MOQ, maybe 10,000 pieces. To support your first order. Yes, normally it's 30,000 pieces. Right? Okay. If someone will interested in our mask, you can see. You can also see the mask. This is the six head filling machine, automatically. Yes, 6 head.
Yes.
This is for the face mask. Filling and sealing is all together. This is 6 head. Yes, you can see the sealing is already done here.
It's very fast.
Yes, already done here. Yeah. We will see the hand mask first. Okay. Hand mask. This is the full mask. Yes, they are folding the foot mask here. Yes, this is small label just for tightening our foot. Yes, when we are used, we just tighten it. It's okay. Yeah, every pair will have 2. Okay. Then they will put it here. Yes, everyone will put it here. And then the pouch sealing machine. The sealing machine is here. This will folding the foot mask, and then put it in put it into the pouch, and then make the sealing, and then to come here. Yeah, sealing here. Yeah, so you can see the pouch is very good quality. You can see the printing and all the material. You can see it's a very clear printing and very good quality one. And then sealing is very good. For this automatic sealing machine, it's very nice. Very how to say?
Very smooth.
Yes, very smooth, very smooth, and no other tears here. Yes, very good. The syringe filter will go inside because I'm not sure. Maybe he just stopped the machine, but this is for the syringe fill. Yes, you can see our worker will even the liquids again, and then folded it by hand. Then put it into the pouch. You can see this is the hand make sealing machine. Yes, you can see. Just use the hand make. And then this one, yes, also come out from this sealing machine for the syringe fill, and then make it to the box. We will make maybe 5 pieces into one box. 5 pieces into one box. Also, it's the customized box, and the pouch is all customized can be. Okay. So, Abby, how do you feel for the workshop? How do you feel about how's your feeling to broadcast in the workshop?
I think one word can describe how I feel. Automatic.
Yes.
Automatic. Yes, all the automatic machines and very fast.
Yes.
And it guarantee our big capacity.
Yes. So that's the efficiency. The production efficiency is very high.
Yes.
You want to see. Yes. So don't worry for the delay order or anything. We will finish our order as soon as possible. Must be on time or everything. Okay. Yes. So time to say goodbye, Abby. Yes. Very happy that you stay here with us. Enjoy our live stream. Very thank you for your support. Right? Okay. See you next time. This is Jennifer. Bye-bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.